Today I'm breaking down the top 3 free cloud storage services that give you free space without needing a credit card. Let's find your perfect solution. First up, Mega. If you want the most free space up front, Mega delivers a massive 20 gigabytes of free cloud storage when you sign up. It's perfect for all your photos, videos, and documents. Mega's standout feature is its robust end-to-end encryption, ensuring only you can access your files, making it a secure and reliable option. Plus, their apps are super easy to use, and you can even earn bonus storage. For secure cloud storage with the most free space, Mega is a top contender in our cloud storage comparison. Next, we have PCloud, offering 10 gigabytes of free storage. It's ideal for backups and sharing. PCloud is known for its lightning-fast upload and download speeds, as well as universal device access. Their PCloud Rewind feature is a lifesaver, letting you recover files from up to 30 days ago. If you need reliable and fast cloud storage, PCloud is an excellent choice, ensuring you can work efficiently and be more productive. Finally, Google Drive, still offering 15 gigabytes of free storage in 2025. It's a go-to for many, especially if you're already in the Google ecosystem. Its seamless integration with Docs, Sheets, and Gmail makes organizing, sharing, and collaborating incredibly easy, keeping you connected and your digital life organized. Just remember, this 15 gigabytes of free space is shared across Drive, Gmail, and Google Photos. So, which of these best cloud storage services will you try first? Let me know in the comments. If this free cloud storage guide was helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tech tips. And speaking of keeping your files safe, make sure to check out my next video in the top right corner, where I revealed the top 3 free malware removal tools to protect all those important files you'll be storing in the cloud. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.